Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn how to use range function in Python programming. So range function allows us to generate a sequence of numbers automatically within a certain range. So we use range function in the for loop. So here, instead of odd numbers, I just say range. And then if I print 5 for example, what will appear on the screen? So it starts from 0 and goes up to 5. But 5 isn't included. So if I run it, you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 appears on the screen. If you don't give a starting point, it automatically starts from 0. But if you want a different starting point, for example 3 to 7, I just come here and then my starting point will be 3 and I want to see 7 as my last element, so I write 8 because 8 is not included. The maximum value can be 7. So it increases by 1 and our starting point will be 3. If I run it, you see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 appears on the screen. So range start stop can also be used with two values. So in our examples, it's very useful to use range function. The logic is simple. If I just give one number, it starts from 0 and it goes to until this number is not included. If I use two numbers, it starts with this value and then it goes to the 8, but 8 is not included. The last value can be 7 here. It goes one by one. Super. See you in the next lesson.